Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. It is almost midnight here in the Philippines, so let's have a midnight snack. Let's go! Okay, so we have here Marvel, Heroclix, Jeff the Landshark Pizza Party, which is a delicious combo of pizza and clicks. Okay, so product is not edible and does not contain food. Okay, disclaimer. Okay, so I tend to collect all X-Men related stuff. And again, Deadpool Weapon X is the X-Men set for 2024. And an extension product of that is this pizza party box, okay, featuring Jeff the Landshark. Okay, so I like this particular pizza tray, pan pizza with a remaining slice of pizza. So because this looks like a HeroClick dial. Okay, so that's a very good what you call this um, design. Okay, so you can visit heroclix.com for more information about this product. I think this one is only available online at the Wizkid store. And you can see here it's Jeff the Landshark, one character card, one team up card, one bystander, and one pizza object. Okay, and you can see some other toppings for pizza not included. Okay, as it said, the same information or checklist at the other side of the box. And yeah, same website reference. So this is a 2024 product, and let's get into cracking it. Okay. So Jeff the Landshark is also a figure in the main set. Okay, and he works really well, especially when paired with or generated by King Deadpool and Elsa, which we luckily have. Okay, but I'm excited to see what this one does. Okay, so the box of pizza is a bit empty. Okay, it only contains at the center Jeff the Landshark and the character cards here and the bystander here. Okay, so let's take them all out and see what we got. Let's pull out Jeff the Landshark out of the clamp. Okay, let's start with the tokens. Oh, it's a next phase. Next phase pizza. Okay, so yeah, I think I have one of this as well. Probably I'm not gonna keep this because this is next phase, but we'll see. Okay, and then we also have this one. Okay, Gwenpool. Ooh, so this is where we get Gwenpool. So Gwenpool is one of the bystanders, and there's a lot in this set, which we hope to get. So we're lucky to have Gwenpool at this point in time. Avengers team ability for range, facing teleport, blades, willpower, and prob for 20 points. And she has a trait surviving through cameos. When Gwenpool would be KO'd, you may roll a d6. On a 4 to 6, place her adjacent to another friendly character instead. So he has a 50-50 chance of avoiding death in that sense. Okay, which can be good because again she has prob and 20 points. Okay, so yeah, if you're feeling lucky, just put her move her to the fray, and then just roll that 4 to 6 would when she would be KO'd. Okay, but remember it's not protected pulse wave, so when KO'd by pulse wave, that trait won't trigger. Okay, and of course the main event is Jeff himself. Okay, so you can see he is a dolphin symbol, so cannot be targeted unless you're within 4 of him. Okay, set number 201, and yeah, no other information in the base. Let's take a look at the card. You can already see that there is a couple of cards included in this particular product. The 201 and the team up card 201.1. Okay, so let's take a look at the base card. Jeff the Landshark, Aim, Avengers, Deadpool Core, Animal, Assassins, Marksman, Monster, Keywords, a trait pizza pool party. At the beginning of your turn, Jeff the Landshark may generate a pizza object in a square of water terrain within 6 squares. Okay, so best to use a map with a lot of water. And then special movement towards the end of his dial. When a character, it's Jeff. When a character destroys any pizza object, after resolutions, you may place Jeff the Landshark adjacent to that character. Okay, so interesting. That gives him a lot of mobility and a special damage power. And power. Pre. Choose another friendly character. That character may make an attack, but only to target a character that damaged Jeff the Landshark since your last term. So it's like Jeff allows call ret for uh, gives call ret to friendly characters that damage Jeff last turn. So you can see that he is 40 points, has charge in the first 2 clicks with blades and combat reflexes, 2 damage, but that does not matter because he has blades anyway. Okay. So let's take a look at the team up card, the alternate card, which has the additional trait, which is are the keywords the same? Yeah, it's the same. So the additional trait is team up Gwenpool. When a Jeff the Landshark or a friendly character named Gwenpool will take damage, if they're holding a pizza object, they may destroy that object instead. When Jeff the Landshark, or so it's not mastermind, so it's so that this cannot be outwitted in that sense. When Jeff the Landshark or a friendly character named Gwenpool hit, after resolutions, they may generate and pick up a pizza object. Okay, so interesting. So that means he teams up with this particular bystander. Okay, and that's good because that gives the bystander another out. Okay, aside from the 4 to 6 mentioned earlier. Okay. Oh, okay. So 40 points for Jeff the Landshark. Okay, he is small but terrible and has filled up our appetite. So, what do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments and bye bye for now.